How to add glow effect in Photoshop. So this is a subject. I want to create glow around it. So what I'll do is I'll create mask. So you have different option. I will tell you the easiest method. Now we'll go to selection tool and we will basically select the subject here. So I'm selecting here. Make sure that you have the perfect edges in order to have the perfect photo and outer glow around it. We will zoom in and see which is the area left behind. So we will basically do this, and this is the area left behind. So yeah, we are almost there. Now what I'll do is we will basically do Control C. First of all, we have to unlock the layer. We have unlocked the layer. Now we will see layer via copy. So here you can see that it has created the layer. Now what I'll do is I'll go to this blending option and we will scroll down a little bit and we can find the option of outer glow. So here the outer glow has been, you can see that this has been opened. Blending mode, opacity. So we have some multiple options here. You can see, you can select where do you want. Spread, make sure that it is not too much, and this we can select according to our needs. So yeah, if we turn off this, so this is how to add glow in your photo in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.